Mabuhay! My name is Jomari Doliete from the City of Smiles and the country known as the Pearl of the Orient Seas, Philippines. I am a motivated and a positive person who enjoys learning new things and facing challenges. I also like working in an environment that helps me grow. I am a licensed special education teacher with over 2 decades of experience leading diverse classrooms, adept at translating complex learning needs into engaging, accessible, and individualized educational plans. Committed to collaborative teaching and fostering a supportive environment that yields lasting academic and social emotional growth. My experience speaks in championing inclusive, diverse classrooms, proven expertise in designing tailored IEPs, and utilizing assistive technologies, dedicated to building strong, trusting relationships with students, families, and multidisciplinary teams to ensure every learner reaches their maximum potential. 22 years of teaching experience and still believing to the principles that school should be friendly and child-centered institution and that no student shall be left behind. My experiences include an ROTC instructor, commandant, and a mathematics teacher at the Philippine Normal University, a high school math teacher and research and community extension services at North Negros College, Philippines. Conversational English teacher to young Chinese professionals and basic English to pre-K and kinder students in China for 2 years. And also a special education teacher at Manzano High School, Albuquerque, New Mexico, USA. I want to be back to America for there's more to share about global perspectives, expand teaching methodologies, and to continue practice my profession as a teacher in American classrooms. Given the chance to be part of your faculty, I am committed to give my best effort to become an asset to your educational community. Thank you.